My name is Juneja. I'm going to show my traffic implementation for CS50 AI. It's really easy to run, but it takes a while to load. In the meantime, I'll show you my README. So this basically takes different images and it categorizes it into what it is about. It can then use an AI to interpret other images and assign it to a category. I made two functions in this. I first made the loading data function. I started off going to each of the categories. I found the OS module, so then I could go to every single file. Once I went through each file, I used the OpenCV link to find the IMRead function. I checked its docs to make sure it fit the specifications, and then I used that. To make a model for the AI, I started with a simple single layer network. After some troubleshooting, I found the flatten function to convert it to an image. Trying to make things as simple as possible, I used a convolutional layer and some max pooling. I tried a couple different values for the convolutional layer and I decided with 10. I started with a small test and it surprisingly got 100%, so I added some dropout. I explored different amounts and decided that 30% would be good. I experimented with a variety of different activation functions. After changing a bunch of values, I'm consistently able to get 95% on the handwriting dataset and the German German traffic sign dataset. Back to the test, you can see that it starts with 46% accuracy, but quickly rises and ends up with 96% accuracy. This is good based on what I want, and it has a high accuracy on the testing side. I also made a special file to test the handwriting set, the MNIST, which was not provided. It runs pretty quickly since I don't have to load the files. But you can see it starts with 70% accuracy, but then it also decreases a lot less. Sometimes when I run this, I still get lower end values than how much I would get in the other one because of a lower rate of increasing. It takes almost 3 times the time, since this also has like more than 3 times the dataset. As you can see, the end accuracy is 96%, which is just barely lower than the other one, but still gets above 95% and has successful results.